cool. I was attempting to use a Harbor Freight press, right, for your upper control arms, but you can't really get it to sit flush or nice with the uppers because this diameter is not quite what it needs to be. So what to do, see if you just whack it, get it started, doesn't really work. Then I hit it with this, but yep, slowly pushing that out. Works smarter, not harder, as people say. I don't know if the PB Blaster will really get where I need it to, but I think some lube is better than no lube. It should just out now though. Boom, see? And then once I get it started so I don't mess up the rim too much, because I've been doing that like a dork. And again, if you had a vice, it wouldn't go nowhere, but it's the DIY! It's the DIY, y'all.
That didn't even hurt that bad.
Bang, bang. With minimal distortion on that ring. So it's lit. There you go. So I'm gonna do the same thing to here.
There you go. There we go.
Top gear, top tip, how to remove your upper control arm bushings without even this Harbor Freight press. There's a Car Passion channel video from like 10 years ago. He uses the, I think it's the crankshaft pulley tool from O'Reilly's. You can grab this area and push it through. But I like, when you're a hammer, everything is a nail. So I was like, wait a minute, before I start struggling with this, and before I go grab that other tool, let me just see if I can smack these things hard enough. And it worked out. They're old. I mean, they're not like the worst shape. He must have replaced, he did replace them at some point in the car's life, it looks like, but I got the new white line bushing, so I'm gonna put those in instead. But now you know how, on the ground. If you're trying to do this at home, there's another way to do it. Thank you.